What is up, musicians? It's your boy Brendo coming back at you with another video. It's been a long time, guys, but I am back, and today we're going to be learning Same God by Elevation Worship. This song is crazy easy. It's going to be in the key of D flat, C sharp, whichever you prefer, flats or sharps. To me, I don't judge. I don't really care what you like, just as long as you know what it is. Alright, so yeah, it's going to be in the key of C sharp. We're gonna have some fun, we're gonna learn, and I also want to let my beginners know that I'm dropping a brand new course on how to play confidently for your church. Okay, so I'm teaching you from a beginner standpoint, taking you from the basics all the way up to how you can play for your church and the things you need to know to play confidently and to play well. Okay, alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm taking emails down so that once the course does drop, you'll be the first to know. That way you have my email as well. We can keep in contact. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to help you guys out with anything. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so this song is in the key of D flat. So let's refer back to our number system. This being our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to 1. Okay? So we have a few chords in here, not too many chords that you need to memorize. Let's start with the introduction, okay? So here is our introduction. Alright, so let's break this down. In my right hand I have a C sharp major. And I toggle back and forth to this F sharp sus 2 suspended 2 chord, back to this major chord again. Okay, my left hand is doing something similar. It's toggling back and forth, so to the B flat, to D flat again. So put it together. Cool. So here's verse 1. We still do the same exact thing up until it changes. I'll let you know when. So I'm calling on the God of Jacob, whose love endures through generations. Here's the change. I know that you will keep your covenants. Back to the 1. So here it is. After you're done doing this twice, we go here to the B flat minor chord, then the F sharp major, back to the 1, C sharp major. Okay, so let's do it again. I'm calling on the God of Jacob, whose love endures through generations. I know that you will keep your covenant. So again, I know that you will keep your covenant. So that right hand is F, B flat, C sharp. F sharp, B flat, and C sharp. And back to the 1. Okay? Or you can do this, either or. So the first chord we have in the chorus is our 1 chord. Okay? Our C sharp major. Then we have a passing chord, right? This is a 5/7. It's called the 5/7 because my right hand is playing the 5 chord, which is a G sharp major in the key of D flat, and my left hand is playing a 7 in the bass, okay, which is gonna be C. So again, oh God, my God, I need you, and then we land here on a B flat minor. Okay, so my right hand I have B flat minor, B flat, D flat, and F. Left hand is just the bass. Now we have another passing chord with a 5 chord to land on this F sharp major, okay? So I'll start from the beginning of the chorus. Oh God, my God, I need you. Oh God, my God, I need you now. So this is our 3 chord, okay? 1 over 3. The reason why it's a 1 over 3 is because my right hand is playing the 1 chord and my left hand is playing this 3, right? And I added this right here. Okay? So from the beginning again. Oh God, my God, I need you. Oh God, my God, I need you now. I need you now. And then we hit this 5 again before we start the chorus over again, okay? Now, if you're unfamiliar with these numbers I'm referring to, this is the number system. If you have not yet learned the number system, it's very important that you do learn it, because when you're playing for churches, they're not going to be calling out chords. They're going to say, hey, I want you to play the 4, the 5, the 6, and you should know in each key what number belongs to which chord, okay? So in my beginner course, I teach you guys the number system. I teach you how to identify each chord with its number, okay? So when that chorus does drop, make sure I have your email address. Make sure I have your email address so that I can send it to you. Once it drops, you'll be the first person to know about it and start learning as soon as possible, okay? So that's pretty much the chorus. All right, so again. Lord, I need you now. Cool, so let's move on. Then the song goes back into the verses again. We've already learned the verses, so great job with that. If you haven't mastered it yet, make sure you just go back, rewind, watch it again, get those verses down, then get the chorus down again. Because we're gonna move on now to the bridge, which, believe it or not, is the same thing as the chorus. I told you this song is really, really easy. So let's talk about the bridge. So the bridge goes, you've heard your children then, you hear your children now. You are the same God. You are the same God. Real simple, same thing. You are the same God. You are the same God. I think the only thing that's different is that you're not adding these passing chords. And this one is just you are the same God. Okay? However, when they say you were a savior then, you are a savior now, the chords do change just a little bit, okay? So instead of going back to the 1, they're gonna hit the 6 right here. So, you were a savior then, you are a savior now, you are the same God, you are the... And then now we hit this chord right here. So this is gonna be our 2 chord, and this chord is going to be an E flat minor 7, okay? In this chord we have E flat, F sharp, B flat, and D flat. Okay, so I'll do it again. You were a savior then, you are a savior now. You are the same God. You are the same chorus. Oh God, my God, I need you. Same thing over and over again, okay? And that is the entire song, guys. Really simple, really easy. They go into an interlude, do the same thing over and over again. Real simple. If you have any questions or any suggestions for song tutorials, put it in the comment box. Let me know what you thought about this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with somebody who you know is trying to learn piano just like you. And also, don't forget to put your email into the link so that you can keep in contact with me. I can keep in contact with you. When that course does drop, you will be the first to know about it. Follow me on Instagram as well while you're at it. All right, it wouldn't hurt. Follow me on Instagram. I'd love to connect with you guys some more. Okay, thanks for watching. Love you guys. Have a great day.